Brad Hall here with a really big one today. I've got a brand new Yeezy model, the Yeezy 380. I'll tell you all about this shoe, and then I'm gonna share 3 things you need to know about the 380. Now, I think I speak for some of us when I say we were really looking forward to a brand new Yeezy model. We needed it, and we got it. The 380 is here. Very happy to see it, and I'm very happy about this first colorway, the Alien colorway. It's reminiscent of that static 350 V2. This was one of my favorite colorways on the 350 V2. Happy to see such a strong start on the 380. Now this one was supposedly going to be called the 350 V3, and you can really see why. There are so many similarities. You've got this Primeknit sock-like upper, a midsole with full-length boost. You've got a translucent stripe on the side, and you've got laces in a very similar setup. So a lot of similarities, but the 380, it takes a turn towards the athletic. You've got a slanted heel that you see on so many running shoes these days. One of the 350 V2's most iconic features, the ribbing on the midsole, that is gone, and in its place, nothing, just total sleekness, a very fast-looking midsole. The bottom has a lot more traction, should be pretty grippy, and then a detail that I wasn't totally fond of at first, the ankle collar. That collar has grown on me a bit, and one of the reasons I do like the way it feels, it hugs that area so tight, and it's a nice complement to the toe box, which is roomier than that V2. So overall, the 380, it's a nice evolution. It looks like the V2 is not going anywhere, so that's still gonna be around. And now we have this new model. I'm excited to see more colorways, and it's off to a really strong start. Since this is a new model, I wanted to share with you some findings. There are extra lace holes on the side of the shoe. That's something you can get really creative with. Earlier today, I was playing around with it, and I came up with this. It's a really cool feature. There were some rumors that the midsole on this shoe is glow in the dark. I wanted to test that, so I went into a room, turned off the lights, closed the door, and I took some photos of it, and this is how it looks with the lights off. So it is not glow in the dark. I could only find one photo of Kanye wearing this shoe. Why aren't there more photos of Kanye wearing it? My theory is that Kanye has been wearing a really baggy jean lately, and I don't think that pair of pants goes quite as well with this shoe. So that was today's episode, the Yeezy 380, a shoe that I'm really looking forward to seeing more of in 2020. I hope you enjoyed watching, and thanks for watching.